In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Quizlet to ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to complete the connection smoothly, even if the interface looks a little different on your screen. Start by opening ChatGPT and looking to the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see your profile area there. This is where your account controls live. Click that profile section to open the menu and choose Settings. If you're on a smaller screen, the Settings option might be tucked behind a gear icon. Either way, you're aiming for the main settings panel where you can manage features and preferences for your account. Inside Settings, locate the section labeled Apps. This is the place where third-party tools can be connected to ChatGPT. Click Apps, then select Explore Apps or Add More, depending on what your interface displays. Both options take you to the same discovery area, so don't worry if you see one label instead of the other. In the Apps area, you'll find a search field at the top. Click into that search bar and type Quizlet. Give the results a moment to load. You should see Quizlet appear as a connectable app. If you don't see it immediately, double-check your spelling and make sure you're in the Apps directory, not another Settings tab. When Quizlet appears, click Connect. This begins the linking process between ChatGPT and Quizlet. From here, follow any on-screen instructions that appear. These might include reviewing what access is being requested, confirming that you want to proceed, or briefly signing in to your Quizlet account in a secure window. Take a moment to read any permission prompts so you understand what data is being shared. If a separate browser tab opens, complete the steps there, then return to ChatGPT to finish the connection. Once you've completed the prompts, the connection will finalize. You may see a confirmation message or a connected status next to Quizlet. That's your signal that everything worked and you're all set. To recap the flow in simple terms, open Settings from your profile at the bottom left, go to Apps, choose Explore Apps or Add More, search for Quizlet, click Connect, and follow any instructions that appear. That's it. Keeping these steps in order makes the setup fast and hassle-free. Thanks for watching. If you follow this walkthrough, you should be able to connect Quizlet to ChatGPT confidently and without confusion.